dirong bipi aprasi birta the pi pen harjui tha
All Assam Bill Cloud Meter Readers Workers Association atum Guwahati long choche junje kache songa sai kedeng Aronre thengpi kang hunep cheka Peter truck cutting hujui forest atum theklong le cheklong det song atum akopaya bedet Kuti tangka pangjardet apita RMSA ahem timi akama bedet
Non malom forest atheng pikang hukang luntet ajok penang anatuma khiada chisalam lo la sonopor hud atumi dik manja central range angkang langwoku along aron ria theng pikang huku alam arjulong si song atum adimalong an forest atum pen nepdun cheklo seta hlaso ahut manja along kreng agari kabedet pu ajok atheng pilapen agari banlong lidet lo pu kapat helok ajoine atumi agari kavedet ke manghume me pusi hamphang asong atum ningkang samse cepak langdam si forest atum kanghu along kacerap dundo lapen lahai kanghu longber ke forest atum si towar ke tholo pusi akoi pi pu ACF Bikram rong piaphan pherangke karjo hut aron re ajakong cepak langdun si pherangke alogos ingdoi et niliphan English penle nang arjunon pusi cepak lang
You are forcing me.
Please. No.
Please.
If
I can speak only. If I can speak only.
Only English, sir. Okay.
alang likethan atengke FIR pidat apisi kanghu lapen agari neblongko kanghu agari battery ke plok jok ajok si men banun edet lo lapen an parta manja along kreng agari avedet ajok si pusi chethak do
So since crank was not available, my staff have brought the battery from the truck so that it cannot move away from the position. But in spite of that, the thieves have been able to flat the truck with the firewood. I think leaving the firewood in the same place.
So what do you think about the staying that firewood in that place? Is still there lying.
Okay, since it's still lying there, and we don't have a department forest truck, so we will have to hire a truck from Manja to bring the firewood to my office or in my compound.
But the truck already, the vehicle already flew away.
Yes, that is.
So
I
how can
already
it be
told
possible?
you.
This
So
is my
that,
it's our question. How can it be possible?
Possible is my staff will have to again track through police to bring back the truck.
kun hamphang asong atum jongsi pangsamri pulote forest aphan chesong nang kok po puta ke ther pado
Ren sa rong ni tum information nang pilo theng pi kang hudu ko thagla na se ni tum dak nang information nang pidat ben phi lo nang pidat ben phi ni tum dak deputy ranger pen chenglok lang tum staff pen chenglok ni tum dak organization do an tum tan tum don sport bi dan sport long tame thegam long lo ana dak MP ta do la pen gari da do tame alang tum kiwani phang ka siksa do poisa vi Kreng ke ponyo phang kasik sak do la pula pena masira tum atumi sunita patenton amasi pini bangen tum dam rapelo ke gari bang masira so putha ni tum ki pudam kang tum bang lo directly lake department asol involved do la so posi la so gari bang ke avida nasi tum tong sekot pen gari da chiri nang ko la pen la thengpi da me non mat chewana ko kali pode ni to masuk utak asik jit pen itu kecilongi pan pula pena masira tum atumi sunita patenton amasi pini bangen tum dam rapelo ke gari bang masira so putha ni tum ki pudam kang tum bang lo directly lake department asol involved do la so posi la so gari bang ke avida nasi tum tong sekot pen gari da chiri nang ko la pen la thengpi da me non mat chewana ko kali pode ni to masuk utak asik jit pen itu kecilongi pan
All Assam Casual Bill Clerk Meter Reader Workers Association Atumidi Guwahati rong supi bijuli bhawana hem tikup adam pro along choche junje kache song asai ke cheng bang so asai kache song nang kok lake APDCL aphan ki thir klong wareng awar sai ke papling ji aphan kedam tang surihini rakren sirkep aningkat jang mia chiklo ingkoiran nerkep arni asamang kang pisat lang patoklo. Bon sitame piniarni an chiklo John sirkep lengtang edlo non pu sitame APDCL ahin pensat lang ang tekpeklang tektedet ke ning duglo. Kedam tang arni pen sitame epong ing samjin pen chingki chingwai bom la pen kido alo sitame pajir bom. Sita nile tumapan epong sitame APDCL pen lamchak cepa play. Lasi All Assam Casual Bill Clark Meter Reader Workers Association satlang ang tekpeklang tektetik choche junje kachesong asai kedeng ing tonte pusi cerai.
Non malum so pan beer time tong sina.
Karno Krushi Dhara Agro gas safety device ahin pen gas safety device lagi automatic system.
Nangli gas kang bok ipere me mia huni pen chupa job ji pulode nangli gas safety device endek nangji.
Gas safety device ador lagi suri ki tham rafar phone pen.
Nangli tum gas safety device pen ali ke long ji lage 15 crore sana insurance long pot po.
Gas kom danglo buta nangli tum laso device pen chini ikji.
Gas safety device pen ajong nangli ka pere me mia huni pen nangli la pen hema long ke do tum job pot po.
Gas safety device pen ajong nangli tum LPG gas above pen 20% and gas safe long ji.
Gas safety device pen ajong nangli LPG gas booking na po pu upcheck ta long pon ji.
Ong tum gas safety device ken ipen ajong gas kang bok pen apran dam nanglo.
Lahai ru yang huni pen ka chupa job ji aphan nangli tum gas safety device and serak tang po.
Gas safety device ke long ji lagi difu town outpost adong difu karbiang long si long ikji.
La pen screen na long ke do number long humri igno. Kardo
Beer ta kang to be mancurui tulo.
Lumbajong Education Block Angkang DVHS School Adung Education Asaikam Kaparlo RMS Pen Girls Hostel Kikim Jia Men Pen Haroi Si Bedet Kapang Nijia Pan Pura Sika Kuti Sirala Troksi Kebra Troksi Sose Tangka Panong Det Apita Piniar Nianta Hangnat Alo Kapacharli Avarsai Pipon Tektesi Kikim Kerangahem Koirok Asonsi Mandet Pinpur Me Karbiang Long Arlo Pangrumpit pen long sirkep adim RMSE ahem kikim kerang kitangsi ke onglo sita ihumnat da council pen warsai pitek the asonsi mandet athe sarkar pen nang pinangjian ke nang pilo lasi ladak kopia potsi ington nang kokma lapen kopia potsi lapuson do nang kokma lake mangkume me binong pini bangso hemarlo me hengno asai si claim do Bangso hem tang etlo busi kedam tang lingkan suri hinira kretok asengkan pai ceklo kretok siarni CM tuliram rong hang ari dengsi ingpu pondo sita lingkan li pleng rang lo asai morok asonsi mandet
Pinya beer ta la pasi pajulo dumi thang me kardo.